What if I told you you could earn 20,000 US dollars per month by simply managing talent? Welcome to Niki Live. This is Elisha, and in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the commission system on Niki Live, from the agent commissions to the recruiting bonuses. Let's take a dive. First, you need to be on the platform. So what you need to do is you head over to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for Niki Live. So let me do that. I'm opening Google Play Store and then I'm going to search for Niki Live. So this is what the app looks like, and I'm on App Store. And then what I do is, since it's the first time, I'm gonna see the word install. I simply click there and then install the app. And after you install it, you need to actually create an account. So now what I've done is I've planted the link in the description section to make it easier for you to access the link. Instead of heading over to Google Play Store or Apple App Store, you simply click the link in the description section and the app will load. Okay, and then once installed, open the app and register a new account. You can sign up using your email, your phone number, or your social media account, for instance your Facebook account. Once you are in, you will be a regular user, but to unlock the earning potential, you need to upgrade to an agent. Now let me show you how you apply to become an agent. And of course, I've left the link in the description section for you to click so as to access the page that I'm gonna be showing you real soon. Let's take a ride. So after you click the link, this is the page that you're gonna land on. You can actually click here where it reads create an agency, or simply click here where it reads become Niki Live Agent. Let me click there, and then here you will need to punch in your ID, your Niki Live ID, and then you click here where it reads send, and the code will be sent to your Niki Live account. That's the one that you need to paste in here, and then you submit. So let me walk you through. Let me take you to Niki Live so that I show you where you have to copy your Niki Live ID. Once you get here, you need to click the profile tab, and then you copy your ID, which is sitting on top there, and then head back to that page so as to paste in that ID. So let me do just that. So I'm back on the page and I'm gonna paste in that ID that I copied from my account. Then click here where it reads send. So the code has actually been sent. It's saying please see the verification code in the Niki Live app, and the timer has actually started ticking down, 49 seconds. So I need to head on to the app. Let's do this. I am on Niki Live and I need to search for that verification code that was sent to my account. So it's here in the chats section. You click there and boom, here it is. That's 2776, right? 2776. I'm heading on to that page and then punch in the same code, 2776. Alright, so I'm back. What I'll do is I'll tap here and then type in that 2776 and then hit submit. Once that is done, I'll definitely become an agent. Congratulations on becoming an agent. But now that you're in, let's make sure you know what's expected. According to the official policy, agencies need at least 10 hosts. That's people streaming at least 1 hour a day, 4 days a week. New agencies also need to reach 500 beans in revenue within the first 2 weeks to stay active. So make sure you're ready to build a real team. So once you're an agent, how do you actually make money? The primary source is your agent's commission. This is a percentage of the revenue your hosts generate. Let me break down the commission structure. The more your agency earns in a week, the higher your rate goes. If your total agency income is under 500,000 beans, you start at a 4% commission. You reach between 500,000 and 2 million beans and you hit a 7% rate. You hit 2 million to 11 million beans and you are at 11%. Reach 11 million to 30 million, that's 14%. 30 million to 65 million gets you 18%. And for the top earners, when your agent surpasses 65 million beans in a week, you enter the SS tier and earn a massive 20% commission on everything. Now, about the currency. Your hosts earn beans from gifts, calls, and games. The payout rate is simple. 10,000 beans equals $1. When you withdraw, the minimum is 10 USD, and funds usually arrive within 24 hours. But sometimes it only takes 2 hours, depending on what time you happen to withdraw. Let's look at ways to make money as sub-agency. Here is a feature that can boost your income without you having to recruit every single host yourself. Sub-agencies. You can invite other users to become your sub-agents. When you do, you earn the difference in commission rates. Let me give you an example. Let's say main agency A has an 11% commission rate. They bring on sub-agency B who has a 4% rate. Main agents A earns the 7% difference on everything sub-agents B generates. If sub-agents B makes 400,000 beans in a week, main agents A earns an extra 2.8 USD just from that one sub-agent. This is how you scale your business. You build a network and you get paid on the total performance of your entire team. And now, let me show you where to find the bonus rewards inside the app. Watch my screen. Right here in the reward center, you will see the recruit new host section. These are one-time rewards for bringing in new hosts, defined as users registered less than 30 days who have been in another agency. Recruit 2 verified hosts, you get 2,000 beans. Recruit 10, get 10,000 beans. And if you recruit 1,000 hosts, you get a massive 600,000 bean reward. But that's not all. Scroll over to the growth reward section. If your agent ranks in the top performers and meets your host and revenue goals, you can earn weekly bonuses ranging from 180 USD all the way up to 4,000 USD for the #1 agency. These rewards are paid out weekly on top of your regular commission. Finally, let's talk about agent system features and long-term safety. To ensure you keep earning, the platform has an activity evaluation. You need to maintain at least 5 active hosts. An active host is defined as someone who streams more than 6 hours per week. You also need to ensure your highest weekly commission in the past 4 weeks doesn't drop below 50,000 beans. The system is actually very transparent about this. If you're falling behind, the platform sends weekly reminders to your inbox, giving you a heads up and time to improve. You have a 4-week rectification period to get back on track. If you stay active and manage your hosts well, your income is secure. You can track everything from your dashboard. Streaming records, earnings, and commission payouts that arrive every Monday. Niki Live offers a clear path to serious income. Start recruiting, manage your team, and you could be earning that 20,000 a month. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.